How to delete your Reddit account permanently. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to deactivate and remove your Reddit account from the mobile app. First, open the Reddit app and sign into the account you want to delete. In my case, I'm already signed in. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. Now scroll down until you find the Delete Account option and tap on it. Then tap on Yes, Delete. Reddit may ask you to verify your identity before continuing. If your account was created using Google, Apple, or another linked service, follow the on-screen prompts to sign in and confirm ownership of the account. Once verified, Reddit will show a warning explaining what happens when you delete your account. Your Reddit username and profile will be permanently removed. However, your posts and comments may remain on Reddit, but they will no longer be associated with your account. Then tap on Continue. If you're sure you want to proceed, then confirm by selecting Delete. Here, I don't want it, so you can do it. After confirmation, your Reddit account will be permanently deleted. And that's how to delete a Reddit account on mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Reddit tips, guides, and troubleshooting tutorials.